Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are tackling a big SEO issue, how to find 404 pages on your website. If you're serious about SEO, you already know that 404 pages are a problem. Too many of them, and you're burning through your crawl budget on nothing. Here's a quick explanation of a crawl budget. Every time a search engine crawler lands on your site, it comes with a time limit. Think of it like a stopwatch. It may only give you 1 minute. Within that time, it wants to crawl as many pages as possible. Now, let's say it can get through 100 pages in that minute. But if 20 or 30 of those pages are dead ends with 404 arrows, you've just wasted a big chunk of that crawl budget time. That's where finding and fixing 404 isn't optional. It's absolutely critical. So here's the real question. How do you find them? Most SEO tools can do it, but almost all of them are paid. In this video, we'll show you a method that's completely free and incredibly accurate. As you notice behind me right now, we have our secret weapon, Google's Search Console. And if you're on WordPress, you can make it even easier by installing the Google Site Kit plugin. That way your Search Console data connects right to your site. So let's begin here. Once you're inside the Search Console dashboard, it'll look like this. From here, head down and head over to the Settings tab. Scroll down. Here we go. We have the setting pages right here. So we're going to click on it and then we're going to give it a second to load. Next, we're going to scroll down further and click on crawl status now that it has loaded. Now, make sure you're looking at the right domain if you operate many. In this section, you will find pure gold. You will see exactly how often crawlers hit 404 errors, how often they find valid pages. So that's the 200s. Perfect. We have our invalid pages and our OK pages, the 200 pages down there. And then we'll also see how many redirects that they ran into. That is right down here. Now, do you want a list of all the broken URLs? Just click right here and you'll be able to find it. You'll see a graph showing the 404s and where they started creeping in. This is super important. On my site, for example, everything looked perfect until August 27th. Then, out of nowhere, the graph spiked up with a ton of 404 errors. That's how powerful this reporting is. You can spot a problem right away, right when they started. Look at how fast those numbers jumped. If we didn't check, we would have never been able to see this. So how do we fix this? Let's say you had a page before, but it deleted later. The problem? Google may still have that old URL indexed and not your new one. And now every time a crawler hits it, it counts as a 404. So what's the first solution here? Well, in this case, go to Removal Tools in your Search Console. Drop in that outdated URL, and crawlers will stop wasting time on it. This is how we can identify all the pages that are no longer present on our website. Now, solution two, robot text blocking. Another common issue is that crawlers access pages that you actually don't want indexed, like Shopify asset pages. In that case, block them directly in your robust text files. So some additional methods. These are the two fastest and most effective methods, but there are others too. And if you'd like me to break those down, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll create a follow-up video for us to get started. One last pro tip, you can export this crawl data straight from the console. Just hit export and choose Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. From there, organize your 404s, fix them systematically, and stop wasting your crawl budget today. And that is it. Now you know exactly how to find 404 errors with Google Search Console. Keep your crawl budget focused on things that matter. Watch your site's SEO performance improve. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button down below, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper into any of these fixes. See you in the next video. Bye, guys!